आपने एमबीए करी है, आपने अलग अलग जॉब्स करी है, बट हमें एक स्ट्रक्चर में बताइए कि आपकी जर्नी, हाउ हैज बीन योर जर्नी?
Then I worked with Citibank in Bombay. Then I worked with HDFC Mutual Funds. 10 years odd, I've been working with ACCA. But I was still hungry to do more.
So does your experience help you in this position, and how does it help you?
So one of the things is to always say yes to opportunity.
Can we say that ACCA increases or enhances the employability of accounting professionals?
नहीं तो अभी आप कुछ भी पढ़ रहे हो, बाद में अगर वो रेलेवेंट नहीं होगा तो उसका फायदा क्या है? So you have to make sure that you are constantly updated.
तो आज हमारे साथ है कुश. कुश is a chartered accountant. He works as of now as a associate director of ACCA. वो दुबई से आया है हमारे साथ बात करने. बहुत बढ़िया बात है, ये हमारा सौभाग्य है सर. इट्स आवर गुड लक. एंड प्लीज वी वांट टू नो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, वी नो आपने एमबीए करी है, आपने अलग अलग जॉब्स करी है, बट हमें एक स्ट्रक्चर में बताइए कि आपकी जर्नी, हाउ हैज बीन योर जर्नी?
So very plain and grassroots level journey, Sumit. Nothing fancy. I've done my schooling in Delhi. I went to Springdale School. कुछ time के लिए मैंने लखनऊ में भी studies करी थी, where I was studying with St. Francis. And then I was a science student in my 11th and 12th.
Oh, that's when you mentioned about something related to physics.
Yeah. So I have a keen interest in science, but I also have a keen interest in finance. So I got into doing my CA.
Oh, अच्छा.
And उसके बाद then I worked for some time with Pricewaterhouse, did some really interesting work over there, made some really good friends and colleagues, learned a lot, but I was still hungry to do more.
Okay.
तो मैंने कहा कि MBA करते हैं, तो MBA करने के लिए फिर मैं ISB हैदराबाद चला गया.
Awesome.
Which was really a life-changing period of 1 year. Made some great experiences, friends, and learned a lot. Then I worked with Citibank in Bombay for a couple of years. Then I worked with HDFC Mutual Funds as a part of their portfolio management services.
In Mumbai only?
No, that was back in Delhi.
Okay.
And then for the last 10 years odd, I've been working with ACCA.
So you have had experiences in different companies, big companies, also in different cities. अब मुझे ये बताओ, when we say, because times are like constantly changing at a very fast scale. So does your experience help you in this position, and how does it help you as in when you're working with ACCA?
See, what happens is that your experience is something that stays within your conscience. Okay. Right? So
बहुत बड़ी बात है तो.
Every decision that you make, every interaction that you have, every time that you are faced with a particular problem that you're looking to solve, all of your experience and all of your education is at play over there.
Okay.
It is very difficult to say कि मैंने ये वाली चीज टैक्स में पढ़ी थी और मैं इससे मिला था और मैंने ये वाली जगह पे काम करा है, इसलिए मैं आज ऐसा कर रहा हूँ.
It's a combination of everything.
It's a summation of all the things that you have done, which is leading to where you are sitting today.
अच्छा, तो अभी ये बताओ कि how to intently enrich this experience कि यार मैं ना अपना experience बढ़िया रखता हूँ so that I can play better in future.
So one of the things is to always say yes to opportunity.
Oh wow.
And as long as you're going on constantly taking on new challenges, and Sumit, you were sharing your own experience, and I think that was fantastic. A lot of people are risk averse and they don't want to take on new challenges. Take on new challenges. Go and travel, go and work in new cities, go and meet with new people. And I think all of these things are, eventually what lead to where you are today.
Awesome. So, Abhi, now coming to ACCA, what do you think ACCA is contributing toward the global accounting profession? How is it contributing?
So thanks for that question. See, I think ACCA makes a huge difference because we believe in the accounting profession. We started off in 1904.
Awesome.
Right. So we are celebrating quite a milestone, and we've got 250,000 members, more than 500,000 students across the globe. The idea is how to develop and contribute towards the accounting profession, because it's really something that is helping companies and economies across the world.
Okay.
And there is such a dearth of good quality finance talent that I think that we have a great role to play in helping all the students जिनके पास आज एक ambition है, आज एक urge है कि कल मैं एक professional accountant बनूं, उनको एक opportunity देने की responsibility हमारी है कि yes, this is how you can become really a world-class professional accountant. People with the qualification and people who are studying the qualification are working across 180 countries across the globe.
Awesome.
So you can imagine कि क्या acceptance है qualification की globally.
So we can understand that ACCA forms good, like one of the best accounting professional. Now, coming to this point, how relevant or how important it is to be a accounting professional
See, when I say accounting,
or an ACCA
or an
for that
ACCA,
matter.
all right. So when we look at ACCA, you study a wide variety of subjects
Hmm.
in order to make yourself the complete finance professional. So your study starts with the knowledge level where you're building on your basics. Then you move to the applied skills level. At the applied skills level, you're learning the skills, and then you're moving to the strategic professional level. The
Okay, so
strategic
there are 3
professional level,
levels. Okay.
जिसके अंदर आप actually application भी test कर रहे हैं. Now the main thing with our qualifications is कि हम लोगों को practical application की आदत होनी चाहिए.
Okay.
Because when we hit the job or when we start doing a business, उस time पे theory को हमें side में रखना है और हमें ये ensure करना है that whatever we have learned, we are able to practically apply.
ठीक है.
And that is the difference that ACCA makes, not just through its syllabus, but through how we examine people. When you're examined in that manner, then you will also start studying like that because you have to clear that exam, which is asking you for practical implementation.
knowledge.
Exactly.
Can we say that ACCA increases or enhances the employability of accounting professionals?
Oh,
Like, let's
most
say if we talk about
definitely.
India specifically.
See, most definitely. The skills that you're learning, how does ACCA stay relevant? We come with a tagline of think ahead. How do you think ahead? Is by constantly keeping updated in terms of whatever you're studying needs to be relevant in the job market when you qualify, right?
Yeah, makes sense.
नहीं तो अभी आप कुछ भी पढ़ रहे हो बाद में
हाँ,
अगर वो relevant नहीं होगा तो उसका फायदा क्या है?
सही
So you have to make sure that you are constantly updated. So I'm giving an example. जैसे IFRS हमारे syllabus में पिछले 20 साल से है, right?
अच्छा 20 साल से
20 साल से है. Because we want to prepare people that IFRS आगे जाके implement होने वाला है,
Ultimately,
आज से
समझ
सीखना चाहिए हम लोगों को. Similarly, things like, we have got a paper called the SBL paper, the Strategic Business Leadership
Okay.
paper. Now, in that, it is a summation of all that you have learned, and then you're applying it to a particular situation and industry.
Okay.
Now, these are practical ways in which we are preparing students for the workplace.
Okay.
और 3 साल का जो आपको practical experience चाहिए है, 36 months का practical experience चाहिए, you can do that at any employer as long as you're doing it in a relevant finance and accounts role.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So
Very
what
nice.
happens is that when you become an ACCA member, you have that 3 years of practical experience under your belt. You have learned all of this the applied knowledge, applied skills, and the strategic professional that has now prepared you to be a complete finance professional.
Okay. So the process of ACCA, if I got it right, there are 3 levels.
Correct.
There is first knowledge level, then there is
Applied skills
then is applied skills,
and the strategic professional.
strategic professionals. There are different exams, like
That's right.
total 13 exams, right?
Total 13 exams.
Divided into 3 stages.
Yeah, that is
Okay.
right.
And then you also have to go through this training under a
Training.
professional where you're working in finance.
So we don't call it training. We
Okay.
call it practical experience.
Okay, practical experience.
Practical experience.
More apt word
बिल्कुल.
to define it.
क्योंकि see, majority of the people will go and work. Let's say आज आप Microsoft में काम कर रहे हैं, कल Amex में काम कर रहे हैं, you are going and working with one of the big 4 or any of the companies across. It could be your own business also, like I talked about entrepreneurship. As long as you're doing relevant finance and accounts roles, those things count towards your practical experience.
Awesome. So after all this hustle, after all this obviously learning and hustle as well, so what kind of the job opportunities that can I look forward to in India as well as outside India?
See, we've got our own job portal. And on that job portal, there are opportunities that are posted from all across the globe.
Okay.
And you can obviously apply to any one of those job opportunities. The thing, like I said, कि जब हम लोग इन पेपर्स की बात कर रहे थे कि अप्लाइड स्किल्स हैं, स्ट्रैटेजिक प्रोफेशनल हैं, फाइनेंस के अंदर आज आपके पास इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं,
Yes.
आप किसी भी रोल के अंदर स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड ये चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. वाई? क्योंकि जब हम लोग जॉब शुरू करते हैं, एंड सुमित यू ऑल्सो डन
हाँ,
जॉब, राइट?
Yes.
तो 3 महीने, 6 महीने, 1 साल के बाद लगता है यार ये वाली जॉब नहीं करनी, ये वाली
तो
जॉब अच्छी नहीं है, कुछ और करना चाहते हैं.
ठीक बात.
लेकिन आप क्या करना चाहते हैं? That nobody is very sure. So what finance as a stream does for you is that it opens up your horizons to do so many different roles. Like I said, you
Okay.
could be in risk, you could be in audit, you could be in taxation, performance management, you could be the CFO, you could do any of these roles. So people have that opportunity to change through so many things.
Oh.
And eventually they will find what they're really liking and specialize within that. But ACCA gives them that broad base to be able to do so many different roles in their careers.
Awesome. So, considering this, that ACCA has an experience in these all categories, so do you think it's easier for an ACCA to become a CFO later, because now that he has gained experience in all kind of finance streams?
Most definitely. I think that the role of the CFO, or as we now look at it, the chief value officer,
Oh, okay.
right? Even if you see he's one of the most trusted people in the entire organization.
Yes.
The stakeholders are looking for all the financial information to come from this person. And if this person has that business acumen, he has that well-rounded technical and practical experience of going through all of these things, then I think they will make fantastic CFOs.
So what I essentially want to ask is, so essentially there is no limit how up or how big can an ACCA professional become?
Absolutely not. It's entirely up to what you make of it. Once you have done the qualification जब आप खत्म कर लेते हैं, that is the start of your career, right? उसके बाद you have to work hard and you have to keep yourself constantly updated in the field of finance, and there's a lot of continuing professional development that you need to keep doing in order to invest in yourself. Stay abreast of technology. आज जो finance professional है उसको साथ में technology को embrace करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And I think all of these things, see, I'll give an example, all of our exams are computer based exams.
Okay.
Right? Because practically हम लोग बाहर जब जाते हैं तो सारा काम तो हम लोग कंप्यूटर पे ही कर रहे हैं.
सही बात.
So why is it that we need to be examined any differently? Then exams भी कंप्यूटर पे ही होने चाहिए. और उन्हीं के अंदर हम लोग आपको पैकेजेस पे भी ट्रेन कर देंगे कि वहां पर जब आप एग्जाम्स हैं, the kind of packages that you work on look very similar to Excel.
Okay.
So you have to be adept at all of those things. So this is how we are moving towards getting you prepared for your employment and future.
तो जैसे हम बात करते हैं, ACCA is headquartered in UK, right?
That's right.
So let's say if somebody does ACCA here,
and
somebody is doing ACCA in UK or in any country, let's say America or anywhere, in the portal that you talked about where the job listing is done.
Correct.
So would an Indian applying for a job similar lower Indian ACCA and an ACCA abroad would have similar chances of getting the job?
See, definitely from a technical perspective, what you are learning through ACCA, the exams that you are giving are the same, and the rigor of the qualification that you are going through is the same. So all of that, technically you are at the same level.
Okay.
Right? And you can definitely apply for any job across the world. Now it is up to the employer that you are applying to. So
it's only a matter of individuality. Besides that, the course is same.
Everything is the same.
Job opportunities available.
What you are studying is absolutely global.
Okay, so both the job opportunities available abroad as well is like equal to people in abroad and people in India as
Correct.
well.
That's
so
right.
There is a good chance that people who are striving to go abroad can look for ACCA as a.
See, I think your qualification as ACCA will never hold you back from working anywhere in the world.
Okay.
There could be visa requirements, there could be all of these things, but as a qualification, you are a global professional.
But do we get so let's say if a student is specifically looking towards going abroad, so should he consider ACCA as a good option?
I think it's a fantastic option to consider, because I'll give an example. कि मैं आज यहाँ पर बैठे बैठे किसी एक साउथ इंडिया का या मिडिल ईस्ट के कॉलेज का नाम लेता हूँ तो शायद आपने नहीं सुना होगा. सिमिलरली अगर मैं साउथ इंडिया में जाता हूँ और यहाँ पर मैं बताता हूँ कि एक बहुत ही अच्छा कॉलेज है दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी का, आपने उसका नाम सुना है, तो मेनी ऑफ द पीपल हैव नॉट हर्ड ऑफ इट, राइट? What are you looking for from your qualification is that when I use the words ACCA, then people should understand कि मैंने क्या rigor, किस तरीके से पढ़ाई करी है, किस तरीके का कोर्स पढ़ा है. That is global in nature.
Also, I got your point कि there is a global recognition. People would identify, अच्छा, you are an ACCA. They
understand the skill set that you come with. They understand the credibility. They understand the respect that they give to the qualification.
Okay. And moving to this topic now, that how ACCA as a body prepare their students or their members towards the changes that are happening. Since in accounting as well, there is going to be AI involvement and there's going to be automation in all of the accounting and finance. How do we prepare a ACCA professional, or how is ACCA taking this initiative to prepare their members or student in a better fashion, in a better manner?
So great question, Sumit. See, ACCA, like I said, we always try and think ahead. So the syllabus is continuously relooked at in terms of its relevance for the future. And जहाँ तक हमारे members हैं, members के लिए we have a lot of resources which are a part of their continuing professional development.
Okay.
So every year you have to do some amount of continuing professional development. That could be either at your job or something that you read, or it could be a course that you do. And we have got a fantastic suite of courses which are under ACCA Learning, जहाँ पर जितने भी आपने topics बोले, including I'll even add sustainability, AI, data, visualization, etc. All of these are courses which are available.
Okay.
And so we always try and keep abreast of the latest that is happening in the market, and then putting it as either a part of our curriculum or then sharing it as a resource that either our members or future members can do.
Okay, but do you think can it be hard for a accounting professional or finance professional to learn these tech subjects?
See, when you say hard, I think it's a matter of keeping up.
Okay.
Because technology is evolving so fast, but I think it is imperative. As a matter of fact, हम लोगों ने एक piece of research करा था
Okay.
about Generation Z and their use of technology.
Okay.
And I think that most of the people responded saying that they feel like technology is a great opportunity for them. That is what Generation Z is today thinking, because it allows them to do more value-added tasks. It makes life simpler. So people, whether on their mobiles or on their computers, are all up to usage of new technology.
Okay. So what are the top priorities that ACCA as a body thinks for the next 3 to 5 years?
So when you look at the top priorities for ACCA, one is to lead the accountancy profession globally.
Okay.
Right. We want to be at the cutting edge in terms of what we are bringing to our future members and our members. We are focused on sustainability. And we are also focused that we lead the employability and the profession accordingly.
Okay. So people, I'm sure, like the kind of benefits that we have talked about by doing ACCA, people are like very thrilled. So what kind of people who are, as in, studying people, ACCA students, what kind of advice do you think you should give to them?
See, one of the things for students that I would highly recommend today is that ACCA examinations are very different from if you have come from the traditional schooling route. ACCA examinations are very different. Focus on giving a lot of mock examinations.
Okay.
There is a lot of tools that ACCA has made available, including the study hub, and on that there is fantastic teaching and learning material which is available.
Okay.
Right. Study with a good quality learning partner if you have access to them.
Okay.
And these are ways to maximize your chances of progressing through the qualification. Don't be in a rush. Take your time, study well, make sure that you clear. And ACCA, the flexibility that it gives maximizes your ability to pass through the qualification faster.
Okay. What kind of flexibilities are allowed?
So flexibility, Sumit, is that there are exams which are held 4 times during the year.
Okay.
Right? And you can choose whether to give 1 exam, 2 exams, 3 exams or 4 exams in any of these attempts. Right? So what happens is that if I am focused on only one subject in 3 months, my chances of passing that subject are so much higher. I will get into the depth of it. मेरे को ये नहीं पड़ा कि मेरे को इकट्ठे 2 या 3 सब्जेक्ट देने हैं या 4 देने या 5 देने हैं. मेरे को पता मैं एक सब्जेक्ट भी पढ़ सकता हूँ. मेरे पास ये भी ऑप्शन है कि मैं 2 सब्जेक्ट पढ़ लूँ.
ओ अच्छा, बहुत सही. मतलब ये तो काफी सही है. I think मतलब जैसे let's say if I start preparing let's say for 4 subjects, correct, and by the end by the time there is only 1 month left,
मेरे को लगता है कि दो में मैं ज्यादा रेडी हूँ, बाकी 2 नहीं रेडी हूँ, तो आप उन 2 पे फोकस करो और पहले वो दोनों पास कर लो.
ठीक है. And what advice would you give if say there are people who are looking to get into AC? What kind of benefits that they should look for? What is the reason that people should opt for ACCA?
See, if you're looking and aspiring to be a finance professional, I think ACCA is a great way to go. One, because of the flexibility. The second is the way that it's examined, the recognition that you will enjoy, the kind of subjects that you'll study, you'll really enjoy those subjects because we're talking about practical application and not rote learning. So it makes that entire journey not just of being a student, but even when you become a member, the kind of respect that you enjoy, the kind of opportunities that it opens up for you, the kind of global recognition that you get are all points that, any person would vie for.
Okay. So considering all these benefits, I do agree. But there is this one very important aspect people look toward is like how economically or financially wealthy would they be able to stay after they have completed. I'm sure there is no term or there is no definition of कि इतना बहुत है आपके लिए या फिर इतना हो जाएगा. But कि कितना फिर भी एक मतलब आप समझ रहे हो कि what should they look up to ACCA as like one of the top paying career options?
See, ACCA is a qualification what is going to pay you is the career that you make out of it.
ओके,
Right?
ठीक है.
अगर आप ACCA करने के बाद एक फैंटास्टिक जॉब कर रहे हैं, उस जॉब के अंदर इफ यू आर परफॉर्मिंग वेल और यू आर रनिंग योर ओन बिजनेस, you are making a success out of the qualification that you have earned.
Okay.
Right? Doing the qualification in itself does not give you success. What you do with it is going to determine whether you're successful or not.
But what then? I'll rephrase my question. Then how do you define that employers in India as well as abroad are, like, how do they value ACCA? Like, do they pay well as like in competition to the other accounting courses if we see?
ACCA graduates and ACCA members and even ACCA people who have completed part of the qualification are in great demand in India or globally.
Okay.
And they are paid definitely very well in tandem with what the market levels are, and depending on performance, then people really rise through their careers. There are so many ACCA members who are now heading organizations in the roles of CFOs or CXOs.
Okay.
And they have managed to do that on the back of the qualification that they've had.
Obviously.
And obviously they have leveraged that qualification, their experience and their learnings to make the best success of their careers.
Okay. So कुछ यहाँ पे कह रहे हैं, I'll just rephrase it so that people can understand it better. तो कह रहे हैं कि जब आपने ACCA कर लिया तो शुरू में आपको अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल जाएंगी, और उसके बाद जो आप अपने करियर के साथ करते हैं, क्वालिफिकेशन ने आपको एक अच्छी जॉब दिला दी है, उसके बाद जब अपने करियर के साथ कर सकते हैं, वो बहुत बढ़िया भी कर सकते हैं और एवरेज भी कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे हमने कुछ से जाना कि ACCAs आगे जाके CFOs, CXOs भी बनते हैं. वेरी नाइस. तो ये तो काफी मजेदार बात है, मतलब.
हाँ बिल्कुल, डेफिनेटली. सी,
क्योंकि हमें लगता था कि MBAs ही बनते हैं या फिर ऐसे ही हम सुनते थे.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. There are so many examples of ACCAs. See, one of the biggest things that you get is that you become a part of a global community.
Okay.
आज अगर 2.5 लाख मेंबर हैं across the world, so you are one of those members and you are connected to them, and that is your network today. So you are a part of a global network today at ACCA.
So you also have an alumni network of ACCA.
Definitely, all those members and everybody, they are connected, and there's a huge community of people
okay
that support and help each other.
ठीक है. आप मुझे ये बताओ, have you ever heard a story of an ACCA aspirant जिसको सुन के आपकी आंखों में आंसू आ गए?
Several times, Sumit. Several times. I have seen some very inspiring stories of people coming from very humble backgrounds.
Okay.
And इन लोगों के साथ मैंने first hand interact करा है, काम करा है. People who did not have the money to pay for anything at all. They borrowed the money. लोगों के घर में काम करा, कुछ भी करा, and वहाँ से पैसा इकट्ठा कर करके एक पेपर दिया. And today when I see some of those people, they are inspiring other people also to do ACCA. And ऐसे कुछ examples भी हैं कि आज उस स्टेज से आज वो Mercedes में घूम रहे हैं, international properties हैं उनके पास, they are running flourishing businesses. So the qualification के अंदर कोई limitation या ऐसा कुछ रोकने वाली बात नहीं है, उसके साथ आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. It's up to your drive that what you do out of it.
हाँ, तो मतलब वही है कि आपको कोई भी डिग्री हो, आई थिंक आपको शुरू में अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी दिलाती है, देन व्हाट यू डू इज लाइक अप टू यू.
100%. See, you will have to work hard. You will have to work hard. अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि काम नहीं करना पड़ेगा और फिर भी सक्सेस मिलता जाएगा, वो तो कहीं पर भी नहीं होता. सबको काम करना पड़ता है.
तो गलत बात है, तो चीटिंग वाली बात है. ठीक है. हमने जान लिया कि आप ACCA में कैसे इन्वॉल्व हो सकते हैं. अब हम ACCA का अगर फॉर्म भरना चाहे तो कभी भी भर सकते हैं. कहाँ पे जाना पड़ेगा, किस वेबसाइट पे जाना पड़ेगा?
You can go to the ACCA Global website and you can start off your journey. You can also approach any one of the approved learning partners who are there across the country, and they can also help you to start off with your qualification, give you the guidance that you need.
Okay. And there are some, मैंने सुना है कि let's say अगर मैंने BCom कर लेता हूँ, let's say if I am a graduate, commerce graduate, then I don't have to do give the knowledge level exam since I have already passed that knowledge level.
So ACCA gives recognition to prior learning. कि पहले जो आपने पढ़ाई करी हुई है, if that is meeting some of the levels and standards at ACCA, then ACCA does not want you to repeat that. So that is the benefit of getting some of these papers exempt. And जैसे आपने कहा कि जैसे BCom भी है, तो हमारे पास हमारी वेबसाइट पे एक ACCA का exemption calculator है.
ओह अच्छा. हाँ.
तो अगर आपने कोई क्वालिफिकेशन करी हुई है और ये जानना चाहते हैं कि आपको इस क्वालिफिकेशन के बेसिस पे कुछ एग्जेम्पशन मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा, तो आप एग्जेम्पशन कैलकुलेटर में जाके अपनी क्वालिफिकेशन डाल सकते हैं और वो आपको बता देगा कि कितने पेपर आपको एग्जेम्प्ट है और बाकी कितने पेपर आपको देने हैं.
तो लेट्स से टोटल 13 एग्जाम्स हैं और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं जाता हूँ चेक करता हूँ एग्जामिशन में निकल के आता है 4 एग्जाम मुझे नहीं देने,
बिल्कुल,
तो मुझे बाकी के ही
तो आप
देने
5वें एग्जाम से शुरू कर सकते हैं।
अरे भाई तो बहुत ही बढ़िया चीज़ है।
हाँ बिल्कुल।
ठीक है, आप मुझे ये बताओ कि हमें अब ACCA के लिए अगर कोई भी सपोर्ट चाहिए, बच्चों को कुछ भी और जानना है, FAQs है, वैसे तो हम है ही, हमारा जो YouTube पेज है Plutus Education, we are also one of the learning partners and we can also help students, but you can tell students as well if they want to know more about ACCA. Sure, there is our YouTube page, but how else? Because again, the website.
Our website is a fantastic resource. उसके अंदर बहुत information है, बहुत डिटेल में है, और हमारे approved learning partners across the country हैं. Our approved learning partners are very helpful and they will help all the students, they will guide all the students also. But ACCA website is the source of primary information. उसके अंदर बहुत ही अच्छा और आसान तरीके से information दिया हुआ है समझने के लिए कि qualification में क्या papers हैं, कैसा syllabus है, किस तरीके से आप prepare कर सकते हैं, और ACCA खुद भी काफ़ी resources provide करता है once the students have joined.
So ACCA की website पे there are resources, आपको कितनी एग्जामिशंस मिलेंगी, आपको कौन से एग्जाम देने हैं, सब कुछ है,
सब कुछ दिया,
और आपके लर्निंग पार्टनर्स तो है ही, और प्लूटस एजुकेशन लर्निंग पार्टनर बनने वाला है. तो थैंक यू कुश, थैंक यू फॉर आंसरिंग ऑल आवर क्वेश्चंस.
Thank you, Sumit.
आई थिंक इट वाज अ लवली एक्सपीरियंस मीटिंग यू.
Likewise.
प्लीज, आई थिंक आपको अच्छा लगा होगा, आप बता दो हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस. एंड
I think it is always a delight to be able to come and talk to so many of you, and especially in discussion with Sumit, and to be with one of our approved learning partners, knowing that students will get the right guidance, and this is always a pleasure for me. Happy to do it again.
okay sir, thank you.
Thank you.